I ordered a new rear view mirror from Wolfsburg West, and today the FedEx box came really fast shipping. Super excited and pleased with that. This is it. Holy smokes, like it looks identical. I couldn't be happier with that. Feels very heavy, good quality. I don't know how to take it down. People say yank it to the passenger side, so I'm gonna give it a go and hopefully I can do that without breaking anything. So people say that you just push it and yank it to the passenger side and it should pop out. Oh, shit, yeah, they weren't kidding. I mean, it's in there. Okay, well, there we go. Yeah, it broke too. That's fine. It's gone. I don't even know if there'll be another use for that. So, we'll see if we get the other one in there. Bugs or whatever's in there, who knows? Wait, it should go this way, shouldn't it? No, it goes down, okay? Oh, sweet. There we go, look at that. Fantastic. It worked. This looks nice. So here's the old one. Yeah, this is still fine, but the mirror itself, all the UV rays over the years has just eaten it up. Here is the new one. That was the old one. I should have said, I don't know if I said it right. Anyway, beautiful. I think it's gonna work great. Yep, it's got the flip for the nighttime and daytime. Super impressed.